You're going to love this. Trust me, what you're seeing now is my normal state.
Hey guys, what's up? Allow me to introduce myself one more time. My name is Hernando Cardoso, but you already know that, right? So yesterday I was supposed to upload the video. Unfortunately, I wasn't in the best mood, because of the consequences that we're facing nowadays. But it's okay, let's start, shall we? Today I have a special topic for you. We're gonna start from the beginning. For that reason, we're gonna start with greetings.
One eternity later.
So guys, let's start with basic things. We're gonna start with greetings. So there's an informal way to start with greetings that is hey. Like hey, what's up? Hey, how are you? But I'm going to give you more details later on. You can say hi, you can say hello, or you can take into account this information in order to sound very formal and very polite. So this is our today's word. Polite. Polite is when you are very formal, guys. So we have good morning. Good morning, you say good morning at this hour. From 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. Then we're gonna check next one. Good afternoon. You can say good afternoon, or if you want to combine the sentence, you can say good afternoon. So you say good afternoon from 12 p.m. till 4:59 p.m. right? Then we have good evening. You can say good evening or good evening. Do you see? Maybe you will be able to repeat after me. Good evening. So good evening, we say that from 5 p.m. till 11:59 a.m. However, guys, be careful when you say good night. Good night is not a greeting, never. You say good night when you want to, when you feel so tired. For example, I am so tired. So you say when you're so tired that you feel like exhausted, you want to sleep. So let's put a sad face. You say good night when you're ready to leave. For example, good night. Good night, guys. Have a nice night. Bye bye. Do you see? You say good night when you want to say farewell. So greetings, we have hey, hi, hello, good morning, really in the morning, good afternoon, in the afternoon, good evening. It's a combination between evening and night, and never use good night. Good night is a good way to say goodbye. So remember, polite. If you want to sound polite, you say good evening, good afternoon, and good evening. And remember, hello, hi, and hey, you can combine that. Why not? You can say hello, good morning, hi, good afternoon, hey. Maybe it's informal, but you can say hey, good evening. You can play with this information, guys. That's the idea. So guys, in addition to that, I'm gonna show you 5 new ways to greet somebody. So we have, hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
You can say also, hi, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Then you can say, hello, how is it going? Or, hi, what's going on? Do you see we have 5 different ways to express ourselves. In addition to that, we have good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Do you see? 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which one is the 5th one? I'm gonna show you. This one, greetings. However, guys, take into account that greetings is so formal. Like, greetings, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Super Bowl. Do you see? But you can say greetings. For example, greetings, my students, greetings, my dear teacher. Do you see? We have a lot of ways to express ourselves.
Hello, Mr. Thompson. Remember now, your name is Homer Thompson.
I got you.
Hello, Mr. Thompson.
So guys, in this way we can continue. So in terms of greetings, you can say hey, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this case, hi Hernando, hey Hernando, hello Hernando. Or if you want to be more formal, if you want to sound very polite, remember that's today's word, Mr. Cardoso. So guys, let's continue, shall we? So in this case we have my name is. So in my case my name is Hernando. So in this case I can say hey, my name is Hernando, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, or you can say it is a pleasure to meet you. There's a different way that it is a honor to meet you, but it sounds very polite. I don't know, I don't like to say it is a honor. And glad to meet you. Remember, this is only when you have the opportunity to see the person for the first time. Only for the first time. Nice to meet you. So if you have the opportunity to see that person again, you cannot say nice to meet you. This is only for the first time in your lives. For example, in a meeting, hello, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Hernando. It is a pleasure to meet you, because this is the first time that you're gonna see that person. So if you want to continue to greet someone that you will be able to see that person maybe frequently, you're gonna change meet for the following word. Sorry, I have an eraser. Nice to see you. It is a pleasure to see you, and glad to see you. You're gonna use this formula when you have the opportunity to see that person for the second time or more. In this case, second time. Hey guys, nice to see you again. Hey guys, it is a pleasure to see you again, and glad to see you guys.
What's up, Joey?
How you doing?
Now, for the last part, we have how are you or how is it going? Remember that part. Hey, what's up? Hey, how is it going? Hey, how are you? This is the most common way to continue the conversation. Hey, how are you? You can say fine in a positive way. You can say good. I'm better than ever. If you want to express like you don't feel so good at all, you can say so. You can say, if you want to express a bad feeling, you can say I'm sad, or I'm tired, or I'm bad. And bad is when you are in a very bad condition. So in this case, it depends on the conversation. If you want to establish a conversation with someone, okay, you can say so sad, tired, bad, if you feel yourself in that way. However, they're gonna ask you, a person is gonna ask you them this word. For example, hey, my name is Hernando. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Hernando. How are you? I'm sad. Why? So if you want to continue the conversation, use it. Yeah, because if I ask you why, you need to say because. So I'm sad. So why? Because blah 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 blah. If you don't feel comfortable with that person, I strongly suggest you to say fine, I'm good, I'm better than ever. But if you say so sad, tired and bad, yeah, you're exposed yourselves for this word. Why are you sad? Why do you feel so tired? So tell me more, give me more details. So do you see? Yeah, there's a conversation. Maybe you will be able to find an annoying person like, oh my god, There's that person again. Hey, how are you? Yeah. I'm fine. Don't talk to me anymore. Do you see? In this case, you can be sarcastic if you want. But I strongly suggest you to be as clear as possible, but if you feel comfortable, just fine, good, or better than ever. Yeah, because if you say so, sad, tired, and bad, you need to give more details. You need to give to that person more details. And then you need to, I'm gonna ask you, why? Why do you feel so? Why do you feel tired? And you need to say, because my mother, because of my girlfriend, because of my cousin. Do you see? You need to give me more details.
How you doing?
Okay.
What?
So guys, unfortunately time is over. So thank you so much for your time. I'm going to switch from English to Spanish. Bueno, les agradezco mucho a todos los que tuvieron la oportunidad de ver este video. Si tienen alguna duda, por favor, no dejen de comentar. Cualquier duda, pues estaré dispuesto a aclararla. Obviamente, pues la idea de estos videos es que yo pueda utilizar el mayor tiempo pues mi inglés para poder explicar lo mejor posible. Sin embargo, habrá cosas que no pueden estar muy claras, por eso les invito a que me dejen sus comentarios y con gusto estaré aclarando sus dudas. So, thank you so much for coming and have a nice night.